How to install Twitch plugin in Adobe After Effects CC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can install Twitch plugin in Adobe After Effects CC. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. First step, what you'll need to do is make sure that you have the plugin folder installed and copied. You can select the folder, press Ctrl+C and copy, or simply you can right click on the folder. Then you can use the copy option. You can also use the cut option as well. Simply press on it and you'll have copied it. After that, what you'll need to do is head over to this PC. After you're there, you will need to head over to your local disk. Locate your local disk, double tap on it and open it up. Now right here, you will need to head over to your program files. Locate that and double tap on it. And after you've done that, you will then find your Adobe folder. Head over inside the Adobe folder. And after you're here, you will find Adobe After Effects CC folder. Now double tap on that. And from here, you'll find a lot of different folders and files, but you'll need to locate support files. After you've found it, double tap on it to open that up. And again, you will find a few different folders inside this. I only have this plugin one to show you guys. So double tap on the plugins. And finally, after you're here, simply press Ctrl+V, or you can right click here and then tap on the paste option. You will need the administrative permission. So tap on continue and it will start copying your plugins into the folder. And after you do that, you can then open up your Adobe After Effects CC and then set it up. And that's how you do it. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming video. And if you found the video useful, head down below and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.